local council efficiency. As you know, much fuel just got saved. Just trim around it. My stuff got a little wet. The tarp flew off apparently. Wee bit damp. Tidy everything up, I think. Not too fussed about it. At the end of the day, it's find out where the weak spots are and where the dampness is going to get in, so I can modify it. Shockingly, it didn't actually get too damp inside. A little moist. There's no thermal. Noticed this whilst I was drying out the plug. Probably fix that. Yep, all fixed. A little bit damp, but it should be okay. Looks like it's charging. Well, I wouldn't advise buying one of these, especially the solar panels that don't work. Fortunately, I used some filler in these corners, and yeah, they now have mould, so I'm going to have to spray that out. Get a different kind of filler. It's actually quite dry in here. Not too bad. Clean up. Spray it down with some vinegar or something. Yeah, this is the mould. You can see little bit green splodges. With the brakes, well, the hole for the brakes.
England.